So you can see here it is the dryer machine, but I want to change it, convert into DC power, because the problem is that it is machine with it's connected with series in AC. So whenever I want to just blow it, use as a not as a dryer, just want to blow the air, so it's not working. So in this video you will see I will convert it into a just DC blower, because generally for my hairs I just want to blow the air, so that's why I am converting it into just a DC blower. So first that I will open it and show you guys how's the structure and how this convert it into. But before that I want to say you all the guys, so you if you don't have any knowledge about electricity or some or you don't know some basic rules, so don't try it. So it's just my request, so don't try at home if you don't know anything about it. In this diagram you can see all the connection. It is a circuit diagram. Here you can clearly see, and here I am showing how to connect diodes. Connect the positive side of diode with positive connector and negative with negative, and it's connected. And now plug the charge.